Welcome back, and I've got a very special guest joining us right now. The man who's become a big name with the biggest of the story right now in the country, the Sushant Singh death case. The man who's in the thick of these things and is joining me right now live here on the Urban Debate. DGP Gupteshwar Pandey, thank you so much, Mr. Pandey, for speaking to us on Mirror. Now, Mr. Pandey, let me begin by first asking you, have you spoken to SP Vinay Tiwari recently? Any update on his status? कब वापस आ रहे बिहार वो?
Tanvi, every day I speak to him. The day he was quarantined, I spoke to him that day also at 12 night, 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. And then every day, almost every day I speak to him. I spoke to him today also. So he is very depressed and feeling helpless over there. This is very unfortunate the way the officer has been quarantined over there. Midnight, he arrives there. Prior information is there. We have sent a written letter also requesting for accommodation a vehicle for the officer. And we have clearly written that he is going to coordinate with the senior officers. He is going to lead the team. And accommodation should be provided to him. A vehicle should be provided to him. They didn't provide him accommodation in IPS mess. That is number one. No worry, no problem. He somehow managed his own one accommodation through one of his friend, and somehow this BMC official, they found out. In fact, they contacted senior SP Patna only. Where is your officer staying? In good faith, senior SP says my officer is staying because he could not get accommodation in IPS mess. He is staying in Goregaon in this particular guest house. And officers, they reached there in midnight और उसके हाथ में ठप्पा मार करके उसको बोला quarantine, you can't move out, you cannot go and investigate the case, you cannot go and meet the senior officer, no need of any coordination. And what is this? This is never done. They should have gone there next day in the morning at 8 o'clock. They should have served a notice to him simply telling them not to move, informing him that he has been quarantined. What is this? Midnight, 12 बजे सोने का टाइम होता है, आप जाकर के कैदी की तरह उसको ठप्पा लगाते हैं. This is very humiliating. And I never spoke against Mumbai police. I have
Mr.
never
Pandey?
spoken against DGP Maharashtra.
Yes.
I have not. I have never told anything against
Mr. Pandey, अब
the
तो
police
सुप्रीम
commissioner.
कोर्ट ने भी इसके बारे में ऑब्जर्वेशन दे दी सर, फिर भी उनको नहीं वापस भी नहीं आने दे रहे ऐसा बताया जा रहा है. उसकी भी परमिशन अभी नहीं मिली है. So I wanted to know about that has he finally been given permission? Can he come back home?
No, I'm not very hopeful about this. I don't know कि ये कौन टर्न लेगा, कहाँ तक जाएगा, because immediately after observation of Honorable Supreme Court during this hearing, my IG Patna, in my presence, from my office only, he called one BMC official, senior official, and he informed him about the observation of Honorable Supreme Court. Now, please release him now. उसके बाद में भी there was no positive response. This is very surprising. I was under this impression after the observation of Honorable Supreme Court, they will certainly release him. And there is no point for me to keep him there because case has been already taken over with CBI. He doesn't have any business to stay over there. Now he should come back. They are not allowing. Today also we wrote a letter to BMC chief, the commissioner BMC, that this is the observation of Honorable Supreme Court. Now please, for God's sake, release him, let him come back. The whole team has come. 4 members team has already arrived here, Patna. And my senior IPS officer who had gone to investigate the case,
right,
who has gone to coordinate with senior officer, he is kind of house arrest. This is kind of house arrest. This is not quarantine. This is kind of house arrest. This is very
correct,
unfortunate. Whole nation is watching this. This is unethical behavior. This is not a professional behavior. I am very
Mr. Pandey, you mentioned that your rest of your team is back. I can imagine, such kind of an action against your senior police official. I can imagine why you're upset. But what has the rest of the team told you? They were supposed to submit a report. I'm sure they've briefed you by now. What did the Patna police find in Mumbai?
Tanvi, I cannot share all those things with you, with media, I mean. It's not possible, it's not needed also, and it's not, we are not,
Yes.
supposed to reveal this to media. Those are secret things. At right time, at right place, we disclose all this. That is not the point. My only request is, through you, through your channel, kindly help me in getting my officer released. Let him come back to Bihar.
Right. We will definitely question the BMC on it and why they're moving so slowly. We've done that. In fact, yesterday, Mr. Pandey, the BMC chief, Mr. Iqbal Chahal, actually told us on camera that, yes, I have received his request for exemption and we will follow the protocol and issue it. And then, of course, something changed within the 24 hours and we know what the situation is right now. But Mr. Pandey, I am very curious. Are you glad that your police department filed this FIR and came down for investigation? Did you find something at least more than what the Mumbai police had found so far?
Actually, I shouldn't reveal all this, but I am telling you, we have some information. We have already, my team, though they didn't allow us to work, they didn't help us, because on case is registered here on 25th of July. My team is dispatched from here on 27th. On 27th itself, they arrived at Mumbai airport at around 4 p.m. and same day they started the investigation also. At 4 p.m. they arrived at Mumbai airport. At 4:45 they reached where Mr. Sushant, late Sushant was staying. Therefrom they went to Juhu where this Riya Chakrabarti was staying. They took their statement for one of very close friend of Sushant also. And on 28th they met DCP Bandra. He refused to cooperate. Then on 29th, on his advice, they went to the office of DCP Detective 1 because DCP Bandra told he is the man who can help you. Then on his advice, they went to meet DCP Detective 1, but he was not there. They waited there for more than 6 hours. DCP didn't show up, and entire his staff was, they disappeared. It's very strange. Why should they behave like this? And despite of this, their best effort, they couldn't meet. Then I thought there is some lack of coordination. So I must send some senior officer. They said, why I send Binay Tiwari, who is city SP over here? He is IPS officer, a direct recruit. I thought at least he will be able to solve this issue. So I sent him, and the day he landed up, I told you, रात को आधी रात में जाकर के उसको ठप्पा मार के क्वारंटीन कर दिया. You can't move out, you can't talk to anybody, you can't go out, you can't take a statement, nobody can come and meet you. Arey, what is this? You should have served a notice next morning at 8 o'clock.
Right.
Simple notice that as per rule you have been quarantined. And how many persons are going Mumbai? Every day 100 planes are landing and 1,000 people are arriving there. How many of them are being quarantined like this? And my officer, my team members, 4 officers, they had reached there 1 week back. उनको quarantine नहीं किया आपने? Why only Binay Tiwari? This is selective, being selected. What does it mean?
But what
the message is going
Mr.
to
Pandey,
the nation? You tell me. What message?
मिस्टर पांडे, वो तो स्टार्टिंग से ही आपको शायद इंटेंशन आ गया होगा समझ में, because even when your first team arrived here, we were given to understand that they weren't getting any help from Mumbai police. वो तो they had to travel either in autos or ask people who were linked to Bihar, to Bihar or Bihar government or any party to help them with vehicles to travel. रोज नई अलग गाड़ी में वो घूम रहे थे यहाँ से वहाँ statement लेने के लिए. Didn't you at that point of time try to call the Mumbai police chief and say, please help us?
I have tried to contact my counterpart over there several times. I am telling you, I have sent messages also. And the day this incident took place, I am telling you, Tanvi, the day this so-called case of suicide, this incident took place, next day when I got this information, I was the first person to visit Mr. K.K. Singh home. I went there, and that day only I called up the police commissioner Mumbai. I sent him a message also introducing myself. I am DGP Bihar, Gupteshwar Pandey. I want to speak to you regarding this case of suicide, Sushant Singh. But he didn't respond. He didn't take my call. He didn't respond to my message. It's very amazing. And after this communication gap, whatever has happened, I tried to contact my counterpart over there, but despite of my best efforts, I couldn't contact him. Message was not responded. And then I told my friend who is ACS, Additional Chief Secretary Home here, you please speak to your counterpart there in Maharashtra at least. There must not be any communication gap. If DGP Maharashtra is not talking to Bihar, no big issue. But there has to be some communication link. This ACS Home is trying several times to speak to his counterpart in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, but despite of his best efforts, he couldn't be able to contact him. He even didn't respond to him. Then he told, I am helpless.
Okay.
My counterpart is not taking my calls, is not responding to my message. So there was a complete communication gap. So what should you do?
Right.
And
Mr.
you are
Pandey,
behaving this way with
I'm not
an IPS
biased
officer.
because I live in Mumbai. But let me say, the Mumbai police chief has also said कि उनको तो कोई message आया ही नहीं है आपसे. तो अब हम लोग confused हो गए.
There is no reason to lie. Message is still there in my mobile. I can send you the printout, or I can forward the same message to you. I cannot lie. There is no reason. He's my senior. He's 85 batch officer. I am 87 batch. He's 2 years senior to me. I adore him. I respect him. इतना बड़ा झूठ मैं नहीं बोल सकता. I can swear in the name of God. I cannot lie. And there is no lie, no reason for lying. I am not accusing him for anything. He is such a wonderful person, very good officer. I have a very high regard for him. But this is the truth. And not only this, he told somebody that I want to speak to him. Of course, I don't have proof for this, but he told somebody that I don't want to speak to him. I will not.
Yes.
I will not respond.
But I am not saying that you are lying. I have absolutely no doubts on what you are saying, Mr. Pandey. But when we have multiple versions, we just have to put it out there. I thank you for speaking to us. It seems as if the CBI will now have to take on the responsibility of what Bihar police has found and take it further. But I hope you get your officer back to Patna very soon. All the best to you, Mr. Pandey. Thank you for speaking with us.